Hello student, good morning everyone. It's my third video for mole concept chapter class 10th. In previous video I already explained about the basic concept of mole concept and some important formula and its related questions. How do you solve such type of questions that will ask in board exam? Now some important question today I am going to discuss in this video related to the formula that I already provided you. I already given you in my previous video. Now you focus here. Actually again I repeat the formula. Moles of compound is equal to mass of compound upon molecular mass या gram molecular weight. 1 mole of atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom. That is gram atomic mass of an element. 1 gram atom of the element. Next one, mass of one molecule is equal to molecular mass या gram molecular weight upon Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now I am explaining you some important question. Such type of question asked in board exam each and every year, and mole concept is the very important chapter for numerical. Focus here. In question, find number of carbon present in 24 gram of carbon. Question is, find number of carbon present in 24 gram of carbon. Actually, for finding the number of carbon present in 24 gram of carbon, you must find the number of moles. And according to formula, we already explained you that number of moles is equal to mass given upon molar mass. Mass given, that is given in question 24 gram. Mass is already given in question, that is 24 gram. And molar mass, what is the molar mass? Actually atomic mass of carbon, that is 12. Molar mass of carbon is 12. Its atomic number is 6 and the sum of proton and neutron number is 12. That is molar mass is 12. When 24 is divided by 12, then we will get 2 moles. That is 2 moles of carbon present in 24 gram of carbon. Now we know that obviously that is 1 mole. What is the meaning of 1 mole? 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom. 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom. That is equal to Avogadro number. 1 mole value we already knew about it. That 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom. That's equal to Avogadro number. Now in 2 mole, how many number present in 2 mole of atom, 2 mole of carbons? That is 2 into 1 mole. Actually 1 mole contains 6.022 10 to the power 23 atom of carbon. So 2 mole contain 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom. Now in this way you find the number of carbon atom present in 24 gram of carbon. In this way we can solve such type of question if asked in your exam very easily. Now I am providing you new type of questions. You focus on that questions very sincerely. Hello student. Now my next question, you focus here. Find in, you focus here seriously. First I am explaining the question. Find in 98 gram of H2SO4. Find in 98 gram of H2SO4. First question related to this question. First, moles of H2SO4 molecule present in 98 gram of H2SO4. It's my first question. Second, number of sulfur atom present in H2SO4, 98 gram of H2SO4. My next question is, moles of hydrogen atom present in 98 gram of H2SO4. My next question is gram atom of hydrogen. Gram atom of hydrogen present in 98 gram of H2SO4. Next question, question number E, mass of sulfur atom in 98 gram of H2SO4. And last one, that is moles of oxygen atom present in 98 gram of H2SO4. Now I am explaining it how to solve this first type of question very easily. For first questions, moles of H2SO4 in 98 gram of H2SO4. Answer of the first question, that is moles of sulfuric acid molecule. Moles of H2SO4 molecule in 98 gram of H2SO4. According to formula, we know that number of moles is equal to mass given divided by molar mass. According to formula, number of moles is equal to mass given divided by molar mass. Actually, mass given in the question is 98 gram. So you put 98 and molar mass of H2SO4. That is, in H2SO4, 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur and 4 number of oxygen is present. And molar mass of 1 hydrogen is 1. So 1 into 2 and 1 sulfur, its molar mass is 32. And 4 number of oxygen and 1 oxygen molar mass is 16. So it multiplies by 4. Now 98 is divided by 98, that's equal to 1 mole. 1 mole, what is 1? 1 mole of H2SO4 present in 98 gram of sulfuric acid. In this way, we can solve the moles of H2SO4 present in 98 gram of sulfuric acid. Now, next question, you focus it. Actually, in H2SO4, only 1 number of sulfur atom is present. Only 1 number of sulfur atom is present. So 1 mole of sulfur atom present in 1 molecule of H2SO4. 1 mole of sulfur atom present in 1 molecule of H2SO4. So its answer is 1 mole sulfur atom present in 1 molecule of 98 gram of H2SO4. 98 gram of H2SO4 means 1 moles of H2SO4. So 1 mole of sulfur atom present in H2SO4. Now next question is number of sulfur atom present in 1 mole of H2SO4. Actually 1 mole of H2SO4 contain 1 mole of sulfur atom, and 1 mole of sulfur atom means 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom of sulfur. So number of atom of sulfur present in 1 mole of H2SO4 is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom, because it contains only 1 mole of sulfur, and 1 mole of sulfur is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23 atom. That is equal to Avogadro number, and Avogadro number value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom. Now next question is moles of hydrogen atom present in 1 mole of sulfuric acid. Finding 98 gram of H2SO4 means 1 mole of sulfuric acid. Actually, 1 molecule of H2SO4 contain 2 atom of hydrogen, and 2 atom of hydrogen means 2 mole of hydrogen. So moles of hydrogen atom is equal to 2 moles of hydrogen present in 1 molecule of sulfuric acid. In this way, we can find the moles of hydrogen atom present in 1 molecule of H2SO4. Now next question is gram atom of hydrogen. Find the gram atom of hydrogen. Actually, by the word it's clear. Gram atom means what? Meaning of gram atom is moles of hydrogen, and we already find the moles of hydrogen is 2 moles of hydrogen present in 1 molecule of H2SO4. So gram atom of hydrogen is equal to 2 mole. Gram atom means its actual meaning is moles of hydrogen. You must focus on this point. If you find the gram atom, then you find the moles of hydrogen. Gram atom means moles of hydrogen. Now next question is mass of sulfur atom. Mass of sulfur atom. For finding the mass of sulfur atom, you must knew about its mole. Actually, there is a formula that we already knew about it. Number of moles is equal to mass given upon molar mass. Mass given upon molar mass. Actually, number of moles that I already find in first questions, that is 1 mole. 1 mole mass is not found here, so we assume that mass given is x gram. Now it's divided by molar mass, that is 32. By cross multiplication, the value of x is equal to 32 gram. In this way, we find the mass of sulfur atom is 32 gram. Now next question. Actually, one molecule of sulfur atom, that means 1 mole of sulfur atom contain 4 oxygen atom. So how many moles of oxygen atom present in it? The answer is 4 mole, because it contains 4 oxygen atom. So its answer is 4 moles. 4 mole oxygen present in 1 molecule of sulfuric acid. That's I already found it in 98 gram H2SO4. 1 mole of sulfuric acid present, and 1 molecule of sulfuric acid contain 4 number of oxygen atom. So it contains 4 mole of oxygen. In this way, we can solve the answer of such question that I provided first, then answer already. You must seriously try to understand how to solve this question. In this way, we can able to solve A to Z question. I am providing you, I am giving you a next question, discussing on the next question that I elaborate on the board. Now I am talking about the volume of ideal gas. What is the meaning of ideal gas? Actually, 1 mole of any ideal gas at STP. What is the meaning of STP? That is saturated temperature and pressure. What is the 1 mole of any ideal gas at STP occupies 22.4 liter. Its volume is at STP is equal to 22.4 liter. 1 mole of any ideal gas at STP occupy 22.4 liter. What is the meaning of STP? Actually, the meaning of STP means at temperature 273 Kelvin and volume at pressure 1 atm pressure, that is 76 mm Hg. 76 mm Hg. Actually 760 mm Hg, not 76 mm Hg. Volume, that is 1 atm pressure, that is equal to 760 mm Hg. 760 mm Hg. You mention it 760 mm Hg. Therefore, it is also known as molar volume. What is the molar volume? The molar volume of any gas, ideal gas at STP is equal to 22.4 liter. That's equal to 22.4 dm3, decimeter cube. And when you convert in milliliter, that is equal to 22,400 ml, and it's equal to 22,400 centimeter cube. In this way, we convert its unit. Actually, you must comment on it. What is the actual meaning of ideal gas at STP? That is 22.4 liter. That means temperature 273 Kelvin and volume, that is 1 atm pressure, that is 760 mm Hg, and it is also known as molar volume. That is equal to 22.4 liter, equal to 22.4 dm cube, that is 22,400 ml, that equal to 22,400 centimeter cube. Now I am discussing some numerical on this important point, this point. Now, according to volume, on the basis of volume, the question is find volume occupied by 3 mole of CO2 at STP. The question is find the volume occupied by 3 mole of CO2 at STP. The answer is, since we know that 1 mole at STP is equal to volume is equal to 22.4 liter. Therefore, in 3 mole, 3 into 22.4 liter is the answer of this question. Now, next question. Now, according to on the basis of volume, what is the formula? How do you find the moles of any compound on the basis of volume? For this, I am giving you a new formula. First, you focus on the question. Find number of mole of O3 gas. Find number of mole of ozone gas present in 5.6 dm3 of O3 ozone gas at STP. Find number of mole of ozone gas present in 5.6 decimeter cube of ozone gas at STP. Actually, number of moles in the case of volume is equal to volume given upon molar volume. Volume given upon molar volume. Actually volume given is 5.6. So put here 5.6 divided by molar volume, that is 22.4 liter at STP. After dividing, we will get 0.25 moles of ozone molecules, 0.25 moles of O3 molecule, ozone molecules at STP. Now first you focus on these questions. Find number of hydrogen atom present in 11.2 liter of hydrogen gas. That is the questions. Find number of hydrogen atom present in 11.2 liter of hydrogen gas. Actually number of molecule of hydrogen gas is equal to volume given divided by molar volume. Actually volume given is 11.2 liter, that is divided by molar volume. Molar volume is equal to 22.4 liter. When divided by 11.2 22.4 liter, then we will get 0.5 mole of hydrogen gas, that is H2 gas. In one H2 gas, 2 atom of hydrogen present. Therefore in one molecule of hydrogen, 2 atom of hydrogen present. So 0.5 when multiplied by 2, then we get the moles of hydrogen atom. So 0.5 multiplied by 2, then we will get 1 mole of hydrogen atom. Here is 0.5 moles of hydrogen molecule, but we discuss on 0.5 into 2. Why it is multiplied by 2? Because 1 molecule of hydrogen contains 2 atoms of hydrogen. So 0.5 into 2 is equal to 1 mole of hydrogen atom. So in 1 mole of hydrogen atom, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom of hydrogen present. Now next question. Now we focus on this question. Find the volume of 8 gram of oxygen gas. Actually number of moles is equal to mass given upon molar mass, and mass given is 8 and molar mass is 32. When 8 by 32 is equal to 1 by 4, that is 0.25 moles of oxygen gas. And we know that mass given is number of moles is equal to 0.25. We put number of moles to 0.25, mass given is x, that is not given. We are going to find it. Now molar volume is 22.4 liter, so you multiply 0.25 into 22.4, then we get 5.62 gram. That is the mass of oxygen gas mass. In this way we can solve these questions. We can get the volume of gas is equal to 5.6 to 5.62 liter. Actually by 22.4 into liter, so it already its answer will come in liter. Now you focus in next question. Find the volume occupied by 12.8 gram of sulfur dioxide gas at STP. Actually number of moles is equal to, for finding the volume we first find the number of moles. For finding the number of moles, mass given upon molar mass, that is 2 moles, 128 and sulfur 32, a 2 atom of oxygen. So 16 to 2, that is 32, 32 plus 32, that is 64. In this way we get 64, that is molar mass of sulfur dioxide. When given mass is 128, that is divided by 64, that is the molar mass of sulfur dioxide, then we will get 2 mole of 2 mole. And according to formula, 1 mole volume at STP contain 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. So 2 mole is equal to 22.4 into 2, that is 44.8 liter. In this way we can calculate the volume of sulfur dioxide at by 12.8 gram of sulfur dioxide. Thank you. Now I will discuss application of mole concept on equation in next video. Thank you.